Good morning, everyone. My name is UMAKANT from Aryan Institute of Engineering and Technology, Bhubaneswar. And today's topic is Introduction to Highway Engineering. Introduction to Highway Engineering. It is a part of transportation engineering. So, what is transportation engineering? Transportation engineering means movement of goods and passenger from one place to another. Movement of goods and passenger from one place to another. So, through a medium. That medium may be highway, railway, or we can say roadway. Next is airway, waterway, and the design part of this and maintenance part of this. Totally overall we call transportation engineering. And if we study basically the only roadway part or highway part, that is highway engineering. In highway engineering, we will study only roadway. In roadway, only study highway. Only study highway. So this is the introduction class. So we will study the highway engineering. In highway engineering, basically we will study first history of the highway. What are the development plan, 2020 year plan, Nagpur plan, this and the types of road, like first Roman road developed, then Telford road, then finally we conclude to Macadam road. Next we study classification of road. Different type of classification of roads are there, like village road, other district road, major district road, state highway, national highway with NH and expressway. These things are studied in later on. Next, we will study the interesting thing, that is geometric design. Geometric design. In geometric design, we will study the side distance. Side distance means all visible features we see in our naked eyes. That is side distance. That distance is side distance. In side distance, we study stopping side distance, overtaking side distance, intermediate side distance, headlight side distance, etc. Next, in geometric design, we will study horizontal alignment. Horizontal alignment means horizontal curve, the alignment which is comes under horizontal aligns. That is horizontal alignment. Next, in horizontal alignment study, horizontal alignment means this type of road. Here we use super elevation, so we study super elevation. Before going to super elevation, we have to know that the centrifugal force. Next, extra widening is there. Then transition curve is there. After that, we will study vertical alignment. In vertical alignment, we will study different type of vertical alignment like heli curve, summit curve, etc. Next, we move forward to next top modules, that is next module. We study the different type of material which are used in the construction purpose of transportation engineering. Basically, two types of roads are there. First one is flexible pavement, another one is rigid pavement. To design flexible pavement, we need flexible pavement means we can say asphalt or bitumen road. Rigid pavement means concrete road. If we design the flexible pavement, we need the code, IRC code, that is IRC 37. And for rigid pavement, the code need that is IRC 58. If we construct flexible pavement, we require aggregate, bitumen, but we construct rigid pavement, we require cement, sand, aggregate, that is concrete. So in construction of pavement material, two type of construction are there: rigid pavement construction, flexible pavement construction. So materials, what are the material used? First, soil is important. So severe test is very important for soil test. We know the strength. After that, we uh, we collect the data from traffic, and the traffic data means the how much load applied to the road. That road, how much load is applied. That is just load. And soil has the strength. If the soil strength is more than load, then it's okay for the road, and this is the longevity of the road is very good. So in pavement construction of road, aggregate tests are there, bitumen tests are there, and cement tests are there, sands tests are there. This tester we will study later on. Then we will study construction of pavement road. Different type of methods are there for road construction. First one is rigid pavement construction. Basically, the road is consist of different type of layers. First, ground bottom layer is embankment. After that, subgrade. After that, subbase. Then base. Then slab. That is in case of rigid pavement. In flexible pavement, also there. First, ground level is embankment. Then subgrade. That is consist of soil only. Then subbase. Then base, then binder course, then wearing course. Wearing course is made up of bitumen with fine aggregate. Okay, so we'll study how the construction of road is constructed. Then traffic engineering. In traffic engineering, we will study how much the traffic volume, what is the speed of the vehicle, then what are the density of road, what is the capacity of road. These things are studied in traffic engineering. Then hills road. In hills road, different type of roads are there, like hairpin bend, retaining wall structure are there. These things are studied in hill road. Then after construction, maintenance there, reparation is there. Though there are various potholes and rottings, damage are there in the road, so we have to maintain that. How to maintain these things are studied in this chapter. So these are the introduction about highway engineering, how we construct road from history to present, then what are the design procedure, then how to design a flexible pavement as well as rigid pavement, then what are the material used, what are the tests, and hills road and maintenance work of the road. These things are studied in transportation engineering. Here, highway engineering. In the subject highway engineering, we will study different types of road from history to maintenance. Okay, thank you.